Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Febrith, and today I thought we'd do something a bit different. It's not an unboxing, but it kind of is. I made an order on eBay for some paper products. I just love paper products, books, stationery, anything really that relates to something that I'm interested in. Fallout, Skyrim, Lord of the Rings, and Harry Potter. And that's what this relates to. So it arrived, it's all bits and pieces that relate to Gringotts and other peripheral items. So it came in a big envelope which was nicely protected with cardboard and whatnot. And here's a sneak peek of what we're looking at. So let's get down and have a closer look. In case this is something that you're also interested in or are looking to have, more, what's the word I'm looking for? Immersive, I guess. Displays. So yeah, let's have a look and then I'll tell you what I'm likely to do with these things. Okay, so like I say, it arrived in a nice cardboard wallet, and it was nice and safe. It's also come in this protective cover as well. We've got a feather in here. Very cool. Okay, so first thing, we've got a Hedwig feather, and I for sure will find somewhere to put that. For the moment, it can sit with all my wand pens. And so if you tell the seller your name and your address, you can have a letter addressed to you. It's got beautiful little owl post stamps on. Let me get you in a bit closer so that you can see them. There we go. So as you can see, it's got my name on and my address, which is Nordia in Skyrim in Tamriel. It's got a little Gringotts stamp up here and some owl post stamps, tuppence. And it says Hogwarts, Hogsmeade. Oh my goodness, I love that so much. And then over on the back, we've got the Gringotts stamp. And in this inside, there's a wax seal. It's a Hogwarts wax seal. Very clever. I love the colour of it. So you can use this. It's got a sticky on the back so that you can put it onto whatever you want. We've also got the store here, so you can see the name Kim Fine Crafting, and she does, I mean, this one is Gringotts related, but she does so many others. I had such a struggle choosing which one to get. Look how beautiful the card is. That is super nice. We've also got a little book of spells, and this is really just showing you the wand movements for these particular spells. So that is cool. You can practice. Bit of fun, and the Hogwarts crest on the back. I mean, these are great, aren't they? Because even if you're not going to use, I mean, for example, I would never show this side, but I would for sure tuck that somewhere so that it's just, popping out. I like it a lot, and I also like the fact that it's printed on parchment. It's good thick quality paper and it looks aged. Okay, also in this envelope, we've got Gringotts, London, England, Diagon Alley branch. That is amazing. And look at the crest. Wow, that is beautiful. And then over on the back, Bank of Gringotts again. And then inside, there are so many bits and pieces. Okay, so we've got this laminated card. I guess this is my bank card. Look at the number on that. It's huge. Don't go stealing my money. Thank you very much. And then I've got a Ministry of Magic visitor pass. So the permit must be displayed at all times, and it's got my identity number. And that is also a really cool thing, which for sure I will find somewhere to tuck away. What else have we got in here? Okay, so we've got my deposit slip. So again, it's got the Gringotts Bank logo here in the corner, my vault number, deposited by, the date, it's been stamped as received, and it's galleon, sickles and nuts, and any other items, all my other valuable items, cursed necklaces or whatever that I want to put in there. So yeah, I mean, that is very cool indeed, isn't it? And I just love the fact that I've got my details right there. That is awesome. Okay, so in addition to all of those goodies, there's also a bunch more. Put these to one side. So we've got a Hogwarts Express ticket, and this is a really pretty one. There's no foiling on it at all, but look how nice. You can, obviously it's got the what do you call those things? I don't even know what you call those things. Anyway, the line where they can cut off and, take the bit of ticket, so you keep that one and presumably they get that one. But it tells you the row and your seat number. London to Hogwarts, platform 9 3/4 from King's Cross. So yeah, I love that so much. That is going to go over behind me on my shelves for sure. I've also got a withdrawal ticket. So again, date, account number, name and amount. Nice. And then I have a vault key. How lovely. It's got the number 687 on it, which is my vault number, as I'll show you in a sec. So it says this key will open your vault at Gringotts Wizarding Bank, located at Diagon Alley in London, England. The contents of said vault will allow you to purchase everything you will need for your first term at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Sorry, it's quite small for me to read it. I should put my clever specs on. Alright, so cool. I love that item so much. That is very nice. And then finally, we've got 2 A4 size pieces of paper. So here's my personalised Hogwarts letter from Professor McGonagall. At the top, we've got the Hogwarts logo. And then, Dear Febrith Darkstar, we're pleased to inform you you've been accepted at the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And you'll be required to report to the Chamber of Reception. Upon arrival, please find enclosed a list of all necessary books and equipment. So, yeah, to avoid detection by muggles, please use the entrance located at King's Cross Station, downtown London, at platform 9 3/4. And here is my list of first-year student requirements. That is amazing. So, yeah. Glass, crystal file, telescope, brass scales, pewter standard size cauldron, wand, and I can bring an owl, a cat or a toad. Obviously I'll be taking my cat. Oh, okay, so that's everything. That's everything that's in here. I think they are amazing. Let me just quickly show you my bank vault. Okay, so here's my bank. It's actually a money box, but I keep it on a little shelf up to my left, which is why I'm always looking up there. And so yeah, look at that. My key matches my vault, and these little items are going to be placed around and about this whole area. And then I feel like, I've got everything I need, apart from my own personal goblin. What else could you possibly want? And as for these other things, I mean, I've got paper bits and pieces all around the place. So for me, these are just terrific. So, like I say, I'll leave you the link. Do let me know what you think about it down in the comments, and whether you share my nerdly love of these kind of things. I know it's not just me. I know there's more than just me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay safe, everybody.